What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Follow along in the step-by-step lesson as we learn how to draw the boy with uke. Let's start today's lesson in the center page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So I'll start with the top and bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I'm going to trace the eyes along the outside to create a thick trim. So starting back on the top left, step up. I'm trying to leave an even space gap going all the way around the eye, and then back up towards the top. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now from the outside of the eyes, we're going to step out and draw the lower half of the head. So let's start on the left. Stepping out, curve this down in towards the chin, round this out, and then pull that up towards the right. Let's go back to the left side and draw the inside edge of the hood, going up, go around, and then back down. Let's add the collar of the sweater, stepping over towards the left, then it's in and then down towards the middle, then up and then out towards the right. Now I want to draw the outside head, so we'll start back in the middle, up towards the very top. I want to create a slight point, curving around the head, and down towards the bottom. Now I'm just going to bend this in to right about there. Let's go back up to the top, round out that point, come around the right side, all the way around, and then back in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the left arm on top of the uke. We're going to step over, bend the arm going around, and then in towards the wrist. Let's curve the wrist, going up, and then across towards the top. Now let's bend the top of the arm, going out, and then up. Let's go to the bottom of the cuff and draw the palm, coming down and up, and then we'll layer the first finger on top, stepping up, bend this out and then down, curve this back up towards the top. Let's layer two more fingers in behind. So starting from the bottom, going out, then in. Do that one more time, coming in toward the top of the cuff. Let's draw a small circle just on the edge of the hand, going around and then out. Go up to the top, draw a straight angle line going across. Now I want to layer the thumb on top. So we're going to step up, curve this down, up, and then down on the left. Continue this line going out toward the edge of the neck. Just underneath the thumb, draw an oval for that center finger, and we'll draw two more ovals on either side. Now let's go back down towards the bottom, draw a straight line going in behind the fingers, and then out, and we'll flatten this off. Let's add some lines going across the frets. Let's draw the head of the guitar from these 2 points, angle these out, go across, and then we'll round out the end. Now we're going to add two small circles along the top, and two along the bottom. Let's go back to the top and draw a small half circle for the keys, and go in the opposite direction along the bottom. Now I'm going to go back and draw the body of the uke. Let's start from the top. We're going to go up, bend this down, bend this up, and then down in behind the arm. Now go down towards the bottom and do the same thing. Coming down and up, come down, and then back up underneath the hand. From the side of the body, bend the body going up and then in. Go out to the side and draw the arm going out and then down. Now underneath the arms, we're going to draw the bottom of the sweater. Let's start on the left side. We're going to bend this down and then in. Go underneath the hand and do the same thing. Now we're going to move to the center and draw a curve going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left, curving this down and up. Let's go back over towards the left side, draw the top of the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Now let's go back up underneath the sweater. We're going to bend the legs going out and then down on top of the feet. from the outside, let's draw the shoe tongue. We go up and then back down with a half circle. Now let's draw a thick sole across the bottom. We're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. And then we'll add a toe cap from the outside, then this in and then down. Now we're going to go back to the center of the body and add those two drawstrings. So on the left side, we draw two lines side by side and then round up the top. And I want to surround the top with a circle. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. And we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And there we have it. There's a drawing of the boy with uke. I hope you found today's lesson helpful, and if you did, give it a like and be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next one.